All right, Shalom. First and foremost, I want to give all praises to YAHAWAH, Ba'ashem Yahushai, Ba'ashem Rakakwadash. Double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone, and peace and blessings to the whole elect of Israel. As you can see, I ran across an article that came out today, and you see the title: "Could a stock market crash lead to cryptocurrencies rise?" All right, so cryptocurrency is going to be the new world order money system. All right, via the RFID chips, it's going to be a digital currency. All right, and just how in Habakkuk 2 and 3 says, for the vision is yet for an appointed time, but at the end it shall speak and not lie. All right, this prophecy about the mark of the beast, the RFID chip, is speaking. Because why? Because we're in that time. Okay, so here I'm gonna get the scriptures. All right, this is about the mark of the beast. This is Revelation 13 and 16. And he causeth all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand or in their foreheads, and that no man might buy or sell save he that had the mark, or the name of the beast, or the number of his name. Okay, this is the RFID chip. This is the mark of the beast. And it's clear as day that this is the mark of the beast. This is Revelation 14 and 9. And the third angel followed them, saying with a loud voice, if any man worship the beast in his image, and receive his mark in his forehead or in his hand, the same shall drink of the wine of the wrath of the Most High, which is poured out without mixture into the cup of his indignation. Okay, that's righteous anger. And he shall be tormented with fire and brimstone in the presence of the holy angels and in the presence of the Lamb is YAHAWASHI. And the smoke of their torment ascended up forever and ever. And they have no rest day nor night, who worship the beast in his image, and whosoever receiveth the mark of his name. Okay, and here you can just read a little bit of it here at the top. Market experts talk about the Coinbase IPO, eventual doom of the stock market, and the rising trends in the crypto industry. Okay, you can see, this is the time we're in right now. The stock market is crashing. Nobody's buying the dollar no more. This is that time. The stock market couldn't have crashed a long time ago. America is in trillions and trillions of dollars of debt and don't even bring enough revenue to even compete with the debt they have. No one's buying their debt. China's not buying their debt. No one's putting up with the American dollar no more. All right, and the elites are playing their puppet master game. All right, and pushing all these this confusion, and amongst the people, and in the background, they're doing their wickedness. Okay, their new world owner agenda. All right, cryptocurrency will be the big winner when stocks crash. All right, and it's evident. Like scriptures say, man, the prophecies are not lying, because this is that time. And the elite, they're really, really close to the new world order. All right, they're extremely close. And this cryptocurrency, the de-dollarization, is a huge part. This is years and years and years and years and years of planning. And there's no way they're gonna stop. Stop now. All right, that's why we need divine intervention. That's why Yahushua has to return and redeem us, because this place that we so known and love is going up in flames, literally. So here I'm just, you can go through the article yourself, but that vibration is out there, and it's not on accident that now all of a sudden the cryptocurrency is gaining popularity. Bitcoin, whatever else they name it. Just like in that article, the Phoenix, he talked about the dollar crashing and going into a cryptocurrency. So here, this is Job. But here's what's going to happen. This is Job 20. I'm going to start 15 and read on down. He have swallowed down riches, and he shall vomit them up again. The Most High shall cast them out of his belly. It's talking about the wicked, the elites. All right. He shall suck the poison of asp. The viper's tongue shall slay him. He shall not see the rivers, the floods, the brooks of honey and butter, that which he labored for. He That which he labored for shall he restore, and shall not swallow it down. All right, so all this work they've done to make the New World Order happen, and they're going to be disappointed. They're not going to be able to swallow it. They're not going to be able to enjoy it. All right, because they're going to get cast down. Their plans are going to get halted by divine intervention. That's Yahawah Bashim Yahushai returning. All right, reading on. According to his substance shall the restitution be, and he shall not rejoice therein, because he hath oppressed and hath forsaken the poor. Okay, look how the world today is. There's no regardance for the poor, and the poor is talking about the elect. Okay, the Israelites, and then the poor in general. Okay, everybody, the rich gets richer and richer, and the poor gets poorer and poorer. There's no middle class, because he hath violently taken away an house which he builded not. All right, the so-called white man Esau did not build America. All right, America was built off the backs of the so-called Negro, Latino, and Native Americans. All right, the so-called white man, he takes lands that are not his own. All right, he violently takes them away with oppression. He comes down with them with the sword, and there's no peace in this man. All right, because he's the devil the Bible speaks of. This is continue on at 20. Surely he shall not feel quietness in his belly. He shall not save of that which he desired, which is this New World Order. There shall none of his meat be left. Therefore shall no man look for his goods. Okay, you can see that happening now. Iran, Russia, the world is getting tired of Babylon the Great. They're starting to hate the whore. Okay, so 22. In the fullness of his sufficiency, he shall be in straits. All right, he's going to be in straits. He's going to be in a bad spot when World War III comes up, and basically like what's going into is his plan isn't going to get fulfilled. All right, he's going to be totally upset and disappointed. Every hand of the wicked shall come upon him. When he is about to fill his belly, when he is about to fill this New World Order, the Most High shall cast the fury of his wrath upon him, and shall rain it upon him while he is eating. All right, so when he's at his table about to enjoy this meal he prepared, this New World Order, him and his forefathers been planning for a long, long time. He's finally about to dig in and start eating, and the Most High is going to cast it out of his belly. All right, this is 24. He shall flee from the iron weapon, and the bow of steel shall strike him through. It is drawn and cometh out of the body. Yeah, the glittering sword cometh out of his gal. Terrors are upon him. All darkness shall be hid in the street, in his secret places. Exactly. All darkness shall be hid in his secret places. A fire not blown shall consume him. It shall go ill with him that is left in his tabernacle. The heavens shall reveal his iniquity. All right. Esau is becoming bare. His power is secrecy, but it's not a secret no more who the devil is. The Bible speaks of, and it's the so-called white man Esau Edom. And the earth shall rise up against him. All right. This is evident who this is talking about. The increase of his house shall depart, and his goods shall flow away in the day of his wrath. This is the portion of a wicked man from the Most High, and the heritage appointed unto him by the Most High. All right, so you can see like this is the time that we're in. This mark of the beast. Rumors of wars. All these things are coming into fruition because this is that time when Yahawashi is going to return. All right, that's why it's important to keep watch. And this article literally came out today. Okay, and if you look at the stock market, just go Google the stock market. It's not looking too good. Okay, but again, who runs the stock market? The elites. They can crash whenever they want to. All right, they're playing their chess game. All right, but the Most High is playing his chess game also. All right, and he's going to be in straits. All right, but this is a quick lesson. All right, just speaking on, man, the prophecies are coming to pass. There's so much going on. All right, that's why it's important to keep watch. But Lord willing, this is edifying. And again, I want to give our praises to Yahawah, BAHASHIM YAHWASHI, BAHASHIM RUKAH KODASH. Shalom.